We are working in the Word multi-project 2. Currently we're on the Waterfall project. The first step asks us to go to the bottom of the page, highlight for more information, and add that and make it a bookmark. So we'll click the Insert tab once we've selected our text. Click in the Links group to bookmark, click Info, Add, and we've completed that step. Next, we're going to replace all the times that permit is in this document, and we're going to replace it with license. So we're on the Home tab, Replace, we'll type in permit, and we'll select license. We're going to click Replace All. It'll tell us 0 just because of where we're at in the document. We'll click Yes. We'll do it one more time. And then finally it found them. It replaced them. And we're all good on that step. Next we need to find the table that has month in it. And we're going to select that column. So we'll put our cursor there right next to month. From there we're going to go to the Layout tab. And in this group you can type it in, or you can just go up one. And notice it changed the width of that column. Click Mark Completed. Next, it tells us to go into our GMetrix folder, and we're going to the last paragraph in New Trail Open. So here's our paragraph here. So we'll click our cursor to the right of the last paragraph, it says. We'll click Insert, Picture, Documents, GMetrix folder, and then we're looking for Waterfall here. Now, with this picture selected, we have the Special Format tab here, and they have it flipped here. I think it's to try and confuse you, but you want to make this 4 high, and then it should change this to 2.25 wide. And if you're not paying close attention, you will miss this last part that says Tight Text Wrapping. Now, you can do that from here. Select Tight, or with the picture selected, go to the Format tab. It's in the Arrange group and click Tight. Mark Completed. And then it tells us at the bottom of this, on the bottom of the last page, right above for more information, we're going to go ahead and insert a Smart Art. So we're going to click Insert, Smart Art. Now the key word in this step is Process. So we'll click the Process. This saves us going through every single piece of Smart Art. So we'll click Process, and now we just need to find the basic one. So if you're not sure, hover. This one is, the first one is the basic process, so we'll go ahead and click OK. Now, it asks us to change the size of the width and the height. Now, currently, if you're not paying attention, you'll apply this size setting to an individual object within the Smart Art. And so right now I have that. I just want to show you what it's going to look like if you do it wrong. If I go to height and do 0.5, notice it only changed that one box. That's not what I want. So with this, I need to select off of that. And I usually click this line just to make sure I have everything selected. We're going to go back to size. We'll do height 0.5. And everything else is good. Should be. Size, still 6 on the wide. We'll click Mark Completed.